Typically, there are knowledge areas and skills which a child requires in order to learn new concepts. And what we do is we make sure that these skill gaps or knowledge gaps which might have come from previous classes are actually taught to the child before they start learning a new concept. So typically any math problem being solved involves 5 tenets. There is knowledge or understanding of the concept, there is the ability to work with numbers or calculation skills, then the child has to have modeling ability or the ability to strategize a solution and to comprehend the question, which means that if it is a long English word question, for example, then the child must be able to translate that into its appropriate mathematical context and then solve the problem. So this is the basis of any problem solving process in mathematics. Our AI based assessment starts at the beginning of any learning context or learning chapter, and what we do as part of that is that we create a formative assessment which helps us identify not just what the child has learned but also what the child needs to learn. So we use a formative assessment which helps us identify which are these skills which the child may be lacking and what are the knowledge gaps from previous classes or previous knowledge, and then use that to build up the child's abilities before we start into a new context.